Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2015 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z7615X. 34,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. That is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter direct injection 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. And don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.